going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're starting out in Richmond, Virginia. We've been here before. You guys kind of seen us around here, but right now I'm gonna be going to meet up with Courey, and then we have to go to the airport and we're gonna hop on a flight, go to Florida, and we have a little something special to pick up. That's not a little, this is a little. But yeah, we have a little something special to pick up for my Miata, and you guys will see it pretty shortly. All right, guys, made it to the airport, met up with Courey. Let's head to Florida
to go see Jeff, man. I have to go get some wheels for this guy.
Yes, sir.
Good wheels, man.
So we're running hella late for our flight, so we will catch you guys when we get we'll catch you guys when we get through security, and hopefully we'll see you guys in Florida in a second, because we're not gonna vlog on the flight.
Yes,
but so yeah, see you guys in Florida. We made it on the plane, guys. Courey's up here drifting at 35,000 feet. You know what I do.
Good Miata. This is actually I call this one. It's like a twist between Grand LA and Mason's Miata mix. You see the slides?
Good size, good size. We'll see you guys in Florida. All right, so we're in Orlando. We made it.
We've been here for like, what's behind you? My phone. No, we've been here for like 10 minutes. I got off the plane, immediately started sweating.
All right, guys, so we're gonna have Jeff pick us up in a couple minutes. So just gotta wait for him. I mean, we don't have any bags to get because we didn't bring anything.
Because you know, we just flew out for the weekend type shit.
Yeah, we just getting these wheels. We high key, we're just walking, bro.
No, because this man Mace just immediately started vlogging and we just started walking. Had no idea where we're going. And now I look around, I don't even know where I'm at, bro.
I think we go this way. I think so.
The ATM is now arriving.
Oh nah, hella people, bro. Get me out of here, bro. Oh nah, oh nah.
Bro, it's hot. Yeah, like what gate are we at?
Feels like a different country out here. I don't even know. Nah, we don't know where Jeff is. We don't know where we are. That's the issue. Bruh, there's a Rolls Royce. I think that's a Cullinan. I haven't seen a Cullinan on the road, low-key.
Bruh, they're here for 10 minutes, bruh. Oh, my ride's here.
Yeah, here's Jeff.
Oh, my ride's here.
Psych.
You know what that is.
Alright, so Jeff is here.
Oh my God.
The guy.
Yo, guy. AOB factory, what? Yeah. Bro, that's wild. I'm gonna give you some beans. Some pinto beans.
Build a little racetrack.
Good track. We can't go out that way because we chopped these trees down, so now they're all up in the way.
Bro, good drift track. Look at the Miata.
Yeah, there she sits.
Hey, give me a
He sits. Non-binary.
Face lunch then.
Alright, we're gonna walk around and show y'all.
Bro, look at the cars.
So, made it to Jeff's crib. This place is dope. We've never been here before. Jeff and Lex. Mom and Dad. This place is crazy.
Grandpa and Grandma.
Damn, chill.
Damn. Dang, that old shit.
Right.
Let's check on this chicken for y'all.
Good chicken.
Jeff's fancy ass smoker.
Bro, this man racist, bro. He knew a black man was going to the house.
Brian marinated it.
Good Chef Brian,
It's
bro.
about to be bussin'.
And I'm just glad Brian's not cooking the food though, because that shit was burnt.
Nah, last time Brian cooked some food, the kid got real sick from it. He started.
Chill.
Good trailer.
Good trailer. Good trailer. Jeff's new SC. Holy crap. The interior is pretty mint.
Yeah.
Damn.
It's auto, but once we get time to it, we'll do some shit. We'll do something to it.
Good Manny Swab.
Good man, he's right.
It's only hard.
There's the throw around drift car for everybody to come and practice in.
Oh shit.
Got a 302.
The joint is gas.
The fucking it just needs to be rebuilt though. Just the bow, but
Oh fuck.
yeah, big.
That thing looks new.
Yeah, it's pretty
I was gonna
clean.
say.
We've been working on it.
Damn.
We got that's the stance wheel.
Yes, sir.
The Stance 7 Series.
It's laid out.
And it's static. You know,
How'd you even get it over here?
Trailer did. It literally just rolls off the trailer. Just needs a new front bumper. Fix that fucking fender.
The trailer took the front bumper.
For real.
Alright, so wait, let's go with turn radius though. That's the only thing I want to know. Good turn radius, you can full lock.
I could full lock if I want to do that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yay.
Good buckle fender.
Yay.
Fuck a fender.
That's what happens when
Fuck
you
a fender.
tuck 20s up front. This is gonna be either 1.5 JZ. Literally just caged and do one thing only, and that's slide. Not gonna register it, not gonna do shit to it, 'cause I'm just gonna beat it the fuck up. But we're gonna be dripped out while we do it. So we got only quality parts.
Oh, of course. The dandy wheel.
Yeah, we got steering wheel gas here. For real, I have this shit that I'm not even gonna be using. So whenever do some like giveaway on this shit.
We're literally doing a giveaway right now with Steven's quick release.
Yeah, it's this one.
It's the same one. Y'all thought Pat's E36 was stripped out. This joint stripped out.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Oh.
Let's go.
This junk gonna go like in this motherfucker.
It's real 24 karat gold, solid gold.
Come steal it.
This is actually, we took some of Kodak's old gold and we just kind of like melted it and psyched it.
Damn, that junk's probably worth nothing actually.
That bitch empty.
This junk will just fucking plate in. And then I can fucking put my fuel cell back in.
Bada boom.
And then I'm just gonna have a spigot from here, like right here in the back window.
Just fill it up right there.
Lit, bro.
Damn.
Dope.
Yo. Good race car.
Bro, it's so, I bet you this car is so light right
Bro,
now, bro.
We could probably pick it up.
Pull the e-brake down. Watch.
Bro, that's literally insane, bro. Bro, that's wild.
Fully stripped out E36 weighs nothing with nothing in it. It was the door that saved my life in the E30 when we got hit.
Holy shit.
Crazy as fuck, right? That this door just got ripped off the frame like that.
Fuck.
They had to cut it out because it was like I was stuck in the car.
Golly.
Holy shit.
This is the piece of low resistance right here for everybody. That's all everybody cares about is this stupid thing.
Jeez, good suit. Good suit. This is the car I This is the car I can see, boy.
And number 3. Sheesh. Good lineup.
I'm switching up suspension right now for true rears.
Okay.
And I'm pretty much just rebuilding the entire suspension on the car. And then I have like 1,000 power like rear end with axles and diff from Tuner Motorsport that I gotta put in. And then I can pull the engine, redo the rod bearings, and then boost it.
Damn.
And then get a cage welded in.
Yeah.
The pink M4 that's no longer pink because
Yeah.
it's up in the air.
What?
Yeah, but she has like intake pipes that are getting put in, intercooler.
A lot of y'all watching have probably seen her car before.
Yeah, they probably don't just recognize it because
Yeah.
it's not pink.
Yeah. So this used to be pink with the pink heart wheels. Y'all have definitely seen it. Comment below if you've seen it.
Yeah, there's no
I know
way.
you have. Yeah.
Then we just need the lift to get put up on there.
Ooh.
Yeah, she got pink dress-up bolts for the whole engine.
Hey.
So like everything, like all of these are getting changed out. Bro, look, she got these carbon fiber covers that go
Oh, that's
Oh, that's
tough.
gas.
right here.
Bro, I peeped the drip, bro. I know, bro. I can spot dress up bolts from a mile away.
Yeah, dog.
That's what they're made for,
It's kind
Corey.
of dirty, but once this thing is done and done, because once we put the
This is what we came here for, baby.
it's sitting here taking up
glass wheels.
they don't take up no room. They're like 12 inches wide together.
So yeah, these are the wheels that I came down here for to visit Jeff, and he picked these up a week and a half ago for me. I got a pretty good deal on them. They are Advan ARSRRs. They're hard to find in 4x100, so I'm really happy that I was able to find these. So hopefully we'll get these home soon. But before that, we're gonna hang out down here, hang out with Jeff, do some stuff. All right, guys. So I know y'all like Miatas. You like Brandon's Miata. I hope y'all like my Miata. But this Miata,
Super stock Miata.
super stock. But it's probably one of the lowest mileage Miatas
Don't
y'all
even
have.
tell.
Yeah, Mace's Miata been ran through.
Yeah. Yo. Yeah. Holy shit.
Cleanest interior. Probably not the cleanest, but
Mint.
Doors.
Shit is literally mint.
except for that crack on the dash because he used to park it outside in the sun all the time.
Y'all see something? Yeah. Yeah. See that, guys? Y'all see that? Wild.
Hey, bro. Jeff, you gotta do a burn on this joint real quick, bro.
This is Lexus joint, dog. It's gonna be
Low ass mileage.
Lexus her little thing's gonna be like her whatever she wants to do with it. I just support her in whatever she wants.
Fact, she said, I don't know what
She just whatever she decides she wants to do with it. I'm just in there. I
Good
just
guy,
do it.
I was like, hell yeah.
Oh, this is the movie theater.
Movie theater.
This is Drew Spins. Keep all the tires.
Oh yeah, we're gonna put a projector off the sunroof and then just beam it on the back of this on a white thing so you can sit in the whip and watch.
Oh shit.
Hey.
But it's like more than that, you know. It's more in depth. It's not just that. We're gonna probably pull like the seats out and shit.
Jeff got us fucking walking around the compound today.
This is the new compound since they shut the other one down. No one's allowed here for sure because we shoot first, ask questions second. Yeah, we got this joint for like $800 running and driving.
What?
It's like not the greatest condition, but I just needed it for the motor.
Yeah.
Everyone sign this joint.
He did become a madman.
Oh yeah, good. Hey, bro.
Ellie!
Bro, they're nuts. Hey, I'm ready to beat your ass, nigga. Hey, bro, this nigga right here, bro. I fuck with you. Bro, let me love you. Let me love you.
What's up?
Get that nigga, bro.
Alright guys, so I think we're gonna call it for the night. This might be a little bit shorter of a vlog. But yeah, we just wanted to show you around Jeff's place. We just got here. We're probably gonna be here for another day or so. So we will record whatever we do this weekend, and you guys will stay updated on that. And tonight, I mean, we're just probably gonna eat some of the chicken that he's been cooking all day and just hang out, catch up. I haven't seen Jeff in a while. So yeah, Jeff moved from Maryland down here probably at the end of the summer, and so we haven't seen him in a good bit. So it's good seeing Jeff again. But we will catch you guys in the next video. Hopefully the next video will be soon after this, so it will be a little bit of a short mini series of our trip to Florida. We will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching. As always, like, comment, subscribe. hope to see you guys soon. Another adventure in Florida.